Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Don't forget to hit the bell because you will never know when I come out with another video. Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Don't forget to hit the bell because you will never know when I come out with another video. Don't forget to hit the bell because you will never know when I come out with another video. Share, comment. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to test out this 2-in-1 staple and brad nail gun. We are testing out the brad nails into this wood and see how far it will go into the wood. Now we're going to test out the brad nails and see how good this staple gun is. I'm going to do 3 of them, then I'm going to show you. They're not that flush, but I'm going to show you. And you tell me what you think. What do you think? They flush enough, but if you get a hammer, you might can just push them in some more because you can still feel them. They're not that flush, if I'm saying it right. But I mean, you get a hammer, just push them in. All right, I'm gonna do a couple more. Okay, these are pretty good. Let's see. Turn this way so y'all can see it. Now those are flush. Those went in pretty good. As you can see. Hope you can see that. They went in pretty good.